Hello folks, today I'm just going to show you a quick easy way to move your Steam folder. If you're like me, you're just running an SSD. So yeah, this is my SSD. So I have root and I have home, and as you can see it's only a 240 gig SSD, but my actual Steam folder is quite large. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a partition, or if you have a partition, you can make a folder in it. And this is what I have done. I've made a mount point, call it Steam, and this is actually my SDC drive. So this whole part of a terabyte drive, 458 gigs, I've actually dedicated to Steam. You can see it's mounted at Mount Steam, and that is in my fstab. So if we go to fstab, you can see I have my mount point. There it is. So mount Steam. Right here is my UID for it, mount Steam, etc. Extension 4, defaults, and 00 for the checks, the drive checks. So I've done that, so it auto mounts at boot, and I'm all set there. Next thing we need to do is you go into Steam and settings and Steam library folders. So I have two folders. The original one is up top. It's my home, my local, share, Steam. We can see that. Local, share, Steam. So it has all your base in there still. So all your base stuff is in here. But the folder we're worried about is the Steam apps right here. This folder is the one that holds the majority of all your Steam files that you download. So if you look at my Steam library folders here, you see I have 0 installed into my home partition, and I have 112 gigabytes free space on that partition. But you can see my Steam library, I have 23 games installed, and it's actually 119 gigs. So I wouldn't be able to have this many games installed if I still use my home partition on my SSD. And it saves reads and writes on the SSD, so I'm not wearing it down unnecessarily. So what we're going to do is, while we're in here, we're going to add a library folder. And so here's my mount. There's my mount Steam. So there's a folder I already made. But what you can do is you can tell it to make a new folder. So just say OK, and it will make a Steam library folder, or you can change the name of it, whatever you like, and it will show up in here as an extra folder for all the libraries that it needs to download all your software and games. So we have our folder made. So we're going to go back to Mount Steam. There's my Steam library. So as you can see, I have Steam apps in here. It's just the same as I have Steam apps in my home partition folder. But you'll see the difference right here. So this is my mounted drive. It has all my app manifests, so it tells the app all its settings and whatever it holds in here. So this is Half-Life 2. So you can see this is taken all of the downloaded apps. So here's everything downloaded. This is all your common files. So this is all your big folders here. So Metro Last Light, there you go, 8.6 gigs. If you don't have space, you don't want something like that in your home folder or on a SSD. So I've done that, and what we do is, if you already have something in your home folder, just go in when you make your new folder, go into your local, your share, your Steam, and basically copy this Steam apps folder into your new directory. So that's all I did. I opened up two windows, I grabbed my Steam apps, and moved it over. So I would say cut and paste. Or if you're at MC, you can just move it. Or if you're doing command line, just do a move MV and point it to this new directory of Steam library. And Steam will automatically pick it up, as you can see. Once you have everything moved over, I would move all these with Steam closed. So I'd set all this up, go into Steam, add your library folder through here, wherever you want it, close Steam, copy everything over into your new Steam library, and then restart Steam, and away you go. Now, when you install a game, a new game, let's see, let's try faster. Like, you click install. There's a first page you get. You're going to get an option right here. Choose location to install. So I have it installed under Mount Steam library, or you can do it under your local if you still have a room or you're running out of room here, wherever you like. So I have it installed to my new directory, and away we go. So that will install pretty quick, and it'll go right to that drive, and it will show up later as installed, because right now everything's just temporary until it actually installs, downloads and installs. So that's it. Hope you find this useful. Don't forget, don't wear out your SSDs, and have fun with Steam. Okay, thanks. Bye.